Welcome back. River Sal will get a clean look soon. Salcete MLAs have united to clean River Sal. Navali MLA Avartan Purtad said, with enough funds and green signal from CM Parrikar, clearing River Sal will be taken up on a war footing. However, the period of completion of the project is not known.
River Sal was once the lifeline of Salcete. Today, River Sal is choked with plastic and sewage. Salcete MLAs Avartan Furtado, Kaitan Silva, Benjamin Silva, along with officials of Captain of Ports, Pollution Control Board and Forest Department officials inspected the river.
All the officials, we had a Forest Department. We had inspection right from Mobor to Hareban and some other parts like Mungul and Kolva Creek. That side we have done the inspection. You go to see the river is so dirty that you just can't pass at the stink, and the mangroves have really from either sides have blocked the flow of the water. So we are really trying our best, and at a war footing we want to clean the river. So with the help of everybody, we have started it today. We have taken the initiative and we are not going to step back, because with CM's confirmation only, when he told me you go ahead, start cleaning the river. So with his permission and with the flow of funds, I think we should be able to complete it very fast.
Reporter Dattaraj Naik for Prudent.
Brazil is making news for all the wrong reasons, despite the start of FIFA World Cup 2014 being just 2 days away. The hosts take on Croatia in Sao Paulo in the opening match on Thursday night, but the city is in a chaotic state due to subway workers' strike. Nevertheless, the focus is on preparations for the teams who have already arrived in Brazil for the showpiece football event. Brazil's arch-rivals Argentina are expected to offer the biggest challenge in pursuit of glory.
Amid protests by the striking subway workers, there was further embarrassment for Brazilian authorities gearing up for FIFA World Cup. A section of an under-construction project designed for World Cup has collapsed. Sao Paulo is the city where the 2014 World Cup will kick off in 2 days' time, but the chaotic scenes have overshadowed the excitement generally seen in the host country. Meanwhile, Argentina are expected to offer the greatest threat to hosts and arch-rivals Brazil in the pursuit of glory in the World Cup. With a quartet of Lionel Messi, Gonzalo Higuain, Angel Di Maria and Sergio Aguero up front, hopes are sky high among their fanatical supporters of claiming their third World Cup. Alejandro Sabella is the head coach of Argentina. He has built the team around the strategy of quick and concise counter-attacks. Sabella believes he has the arsenal to conquer the biggest prize in world football.
Hay que trabajar, tenerse fe, confianza, tratar de mejorar, tratar de disimular los errores.
We have to work, we have to have faith, we have to improve, and we have to hide our mistakes. Then we need to give 100% as minimum. Even if we can give more than 100%, if this is possible, we have to go for it. Then you know football is football, and we'll see where we can go.
Messi is a key player for Argentina. The 26-year-old Barcelona attacker is already reckoned as one of the best all-time football players. Although he is yet to inspire his team to World Cup triumph, Argentina are based in a relatively easy Group F and will be the favourites to top the group. Bureau Report, Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.